So today I'm super excited to share with you some of my favorite keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so the nice thing about these keyboard shortcuts is they work in almost any program. So if you're in a Microsoft Word document or you're in your internet browser, you can use these keyboard shortcuts to help you out. So one I use all the time is zooming in or out on something. So I'm going to go here, and to zoom in or out, you hold down the control key and then you'll press the plus sign to zoom in, or you're going to press the minus sign to zoom out. So I'm going to my college and career readiness standards for science. These, let's say that I want to read this and this font's really small, I can hold down control and hit plus to make it larger, as large as I want, or I can hold down control and press the minus if I want to see more on the page. And so this is helpful because if I make it really big and then let's say that I go to another tab, I don't have it way zoomed in because I'm just doing it in that one tab that I'm looking at. And so it doesn't change your computer settings. It just allows you to kind of adjust what you're looking at in the moment. My next shortcut is Control F. So this allows you to find things in the document. So you hold down Control and you press the F key. And so let me go back to my standards. If I'm here in my standards, it's a big long document. So I hold down Control and I put F, press F. And you see up here at the top, I get this this window where I can type in. So I'm going to type in, this is science, I'm going to type in moon. And you can see that moon appears in here 18 times. And so it shows me it's highlighted where it says moon there, but I can click this little arrow and it'll take me to the next instance where it says moon. And I can kind of keep scrolling through and see all the times it talks about the moon in these standards. So that's helpful when you have a really large document. The next shortcut is the Snip and Draw tool. So this is something that is really useful for me. I use it all the time. This is kind of a longer shortcut, but when you use it a lot, you get used to it. So you hold down the Windows logo key, you hit Shift, and you hit S. So you hit them all at the same time. So when you do that, this comes up and it's like a snipping tool. And so you can see everything's frozen. I can take and I can draw a box around whatever I want to take a picture of. And when I do that, it comes down here and I can click on this and then I can actually save this. So when you do it, it saves it to your clipboard. So you can clip it and then you can just immediately paste it in anything if you want to use it as is. Or you can use it here. You can draw on it or crop it or do anything you want to it. You can even save it to your computer as an image if you need to upload it somewhere later. So it's a way for you to get an image really quickly. And the last shortcut that I will share with you today is really cool. This is emojis. I'm a visual person. I like to put emojis in stuff. So this one I use a lot. I'm going to put an emoji right in here in my PowerPoint, my slide. So to do this, you hit the Windows key and then the semicolon. And then this pops up. And this happens if you're in Google Drive. You can, your folders in Google Drive, you can put pictures on them. You can use it anywhere. So Google Classroom, you can do images. But you can search through here and find different emojis, or you can hit this little search button and start searching things. So like, let's say I want a heart. I can do my blue heart and then my orange heart. And then let's say that I want to use a computer. I can find a computer. And so there's lots of different emojis that you can use to kind of make things more visual and more fun. These are just some little shortcuts that I use a lot, and I wanted to share them with you.